Hello, so today I am unboxing City Lights by Baekhyun. This is version B, I believe. I'm pretty sure. I'll make sure I put it in the description, but that sounds right to me. So it's got this thing holding it together. It's interesting. This is my first Baekhyun album, so I'm excited. I'm holding it upside down. This must be the photo book. Poster, and I guess that's where the lyrics and CD and probably the photo card are. So I guess let's start with the poster here. Oh my gosh, it's enormous. I'll kind of pass it through the camera. It's got different like pictures in it. This one's just his side of his face. Very cute. Alright, let's do the photo book. So there's the track list. I just realized he was like staring into a broken mirror. Oops. Right here. That was a delayed response. I loved his hair that color. The like silvery blonde. Ooh, his forehead is out. Does that say Mr.? It does. It says Mr. I don't know if it's supposed to be Mr. There's no period at the end of it, but it says Mr. All right. I think I showed the back of this already, but just in case. There's where the disc is. All right, the assembling, and then, oops, I've dropped it. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my goodness, he looks precious. I love it. I am thrilled. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, what a cutie. All right, yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching. Bye.